Our dear students, today we are solving the RBI DSIM. Okay, so today we are solving 14b. Suppose that n1 and 30 and 2 equal to observations made in the sample on the mean of these vectors. Okay, so we have to, the hypothesis is also being provided. So substituting the given values we get, this is like e square is 30 to 22 divided by 30 plus 22 into 0.665. This, so that's different set of values we are forming, 0.039 and the other. Okay, so this will give us 25.3846 into 0.2. This I have already calculated, 6763. So this is 0.677. Okay, so under the null hypothesis, H0 mu1 equal to mu2, and the t-square statistics follows f distribution with df equal to p n1 plus n2 minus p minus 1, where p is the number of variables, here 2 in this case. So the critical values of the f distribution is actually 2,49 in this. This is given as 3.19. So since the calculated value t square is 0.6777 is less than the table value, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis, we can accept the null hypothesis. So there is insufficient evidence to conclude that the mean of the vectors are different.